G'day guys, Donny's Hot Tip. Now make sure you subscribe so you get 10 years of good luck. Okay, today we're repairing the salt lamp. So what I've done just to save a bit of time is obviously there's been dust and stuff all over this lead. So all I've done is just gave it a quick wipe down. Now we had a bit of there's a bit of bacterial sort of salty stuff there. All I've done is just given that a quick wipe down and I'm pretty sure that'll be fine. I mean, no one's going to see that. It's going to be covered up anyway. So what I've done, just to save a bit of time, help you guys out like I always do, I've just sprayed this with just vinegar and water. So I've just given it a bit of a coat. And you sort of got to let that sit for a couple minutes. So then what I do from there is you just, get your screwdriver and see I'm just chipping away at the bulk of that. See, it's all just coming off and then just wiping that away. So you're just basically just giving it a new shape. I mean, it's only a lamp. You don't have to get too picky with it. You just scrape away the bulk of that. Right, now we're up to this next bit here. This bit, just pushing at it. Not put too much pressure, but just enough to chip away at that salt. Just to get rid of that rubbish off there. And see, it comes off pretty easy. So it doesn't take a lot to repair your salt lamp. I know, we get lazy and we leave them around, so just quickly tidy them up. A bit more of a bulky bit here, but just, once again, a bit of pressure, push away that salt. Just push that away. That's fairly easy going. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Stay tuned. Donny's going to have lots more content coming out, so just stay tuned for all that. And see, the bulk of that's come off now. Just want to check it all over. See, that looks pretty good, isn't it? What do you reckon, guys? That's pretty good there. There's a bit there, but that sort of adds a bit of character. I mean, you reckon we'll get just that little bit there? It's a bit annoying me. We'll just chip him away, like so. And we'll just, there we go. There we have it. Just checking the inside. What I like to do is put my little raggy in there, like so. Just get all that out there. And just wipe him away. Look at that. Look how beautiful that's looking. I mean, that didn't take long at all, guys. It really didn't take long. So, and if you want to reshape anything, you can just chip bits off what you don't like, what you do like. And there you have it. It's pretty much chipped away. All I took was a bit of vinegar and water. Now, last but not least, I'll just show you guys how to put your bulb in, eh? So I've just cleaned this up. It's had time to dry. Make sure you give it time to dry, guys. Like, you don't want to electrocute yourself. I mean, Donny's a bit of a trained professional, so, I'm sure you guys aren't, so, just be careful, alright? So get your bulb here. And what you want to do, you just want to put it in there and screw it in gently. There we go, like so. And that's it. And just nice and firm. You don't want it too tight. And then obviously what I would do, before putting that lid back on, we just want to test the light. So just hold on a second, we'll just hook that up to some power, just to make sure it's working. I mean, I bought it brand new, it should be working, but you always want to test it, Alright, here we go. Boom. There we go. Of course it's going to work. I mean, Donny's done it, trained professional, of course it's going to work. Alright, like so. Now, normally you'd let this dry, but, obviously we're doing this video. We don't have time to wait around. So what you have to do, see there's those little prongy little thingies here? You've got to hold them sort of tight in. So you've got to try and hold your mouth right and put that in. Probably shouldn't have the light going while you're doing this, but, you should be right. And there you have it. Look at that, Johnny's new sand lamp. Sand lamp, what am I saying? Salt lamp, jeez. Alright, so then you got that on there like so. For safety, we'll turn the power off. And then you want to flip it over and put your screws in. So you got one screw here, you just, well, I better show it so you can actually see it. Put that in there like so. Oh, jeez. It's quite difficult to hold when it's all wet. And then you just sort of got to line that up, see? How he's all lined up, you get him in. Now before you tighten him up, make sure you find your other one. Oh, you're kidding me. I must have lost it in the making, guys. But that's alright. We'll just show this one and you get the general idea. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's alright. It's alright. We're in luck. We're in luck. All right. So we got the other one, and you just want to line that one up. So as you can see, I've got both of them lined up underneath there. You can see that one's lined up. And then what you want to do, you just want to screw it in. Just take it nice and gently. And you just screw that one in. Screw that one in. And there you have it. Screw them in all the way. Oh, this lamp's quite heavy. I should put it down. Yeah, there's a bit of weight in it. Alright, push that, see I push that in. Got that nice and fitting. And then, yeah, screw them all the way down. All the way. Down she goes. I don't think I got the right size. There we go. Just keep pushing it down. It's going to take a little bit to screw in, actually. I didn't think it would take this long, but yeah, they're quite long. I mean, it's probably a bit of an overkill, but you know, they're over China. They're fairly cheap, so they just give you nice long ones. They're not going to really worry. I mean, it costs them nothing to make, so you know, they just give you ridiculous long ones. But we'll keep screwing it in forever, never. Just keep screwing them in. As you can see, it's getting tighter and harder. And there we have it. That's pretty much it's stopping. It's not letting me go any further. Oh, there we go. Let's push a bit harder. That's it. Down she goes. Alright, once you almost got one done, what I like to do is come back and go back to the other one. So they're sort of coming down. They're coming down even, as you can see. So he's almost flush. He's still going just a little bit more. We'll just keep going just a little bit more. Put him down. Put him down. Feels like it goes for a kilometre, but we're nearly there. There we go. Alright, so you got him firm. He's nice and firm. You just want to tighten that other one up a little bit. And then you have your lead back over there like so. Flip her up. Alright, now for the final test. Boom. There we go. Alright guys, it's Donny's hot tip. How to fix up your salt lamp. Doesn't take long at all, as you can see. Yeah, and we'll just see you on the next one. Just at the end, just make sure, you know, as you can see, I'm doing the behind the scenes here. Just wiping my hands, making sure they're all clean. See you on the next one, and thanks for the support.